What's up, everybody? It's the one and only G Approved. Today I'll be trying Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips for you guys, letting you know if it's actually G Approved or not, and let's get it. All right, party people, it's time to eat. And I've been hearing about this place for a long time. I've seen this place every single time I come and I never get it. I've been hearing mixed reviews on the place the whole time. And guess what? Today is the day that we're gonna see if this place is G Approved or not. And see if you guys should come down and try it when you hit the link. So today is the day. We're going. Let's get it. First reaction coming into this place, it's not smelling too seasoned and the way I like my stuff, but you can't judge a book by its cover just yet. So I'm gonna try to get in here and order something that's good, and we're gonna see what's going on. Kind of complicated to order from. I was kind of confused on what I was getting, but I pretty much got fish and chips, and then I got it dirty style, so I got a number 3, and I think that's what, like bacon and all that good stuff. But you guys are gonna see when the order comes out. Let's hope that Gordon comes through, because I don't want to give him a bad review. Fish and chips before, so this is how I'm about to get to it. Like I said, I got that dirty number 3. Oh, snaps. So we're about to see exactly how dirty it is. Alright, I'm gonna try the fries with this Gordon Ramsay's tartar sauce. Hopefully it's hitting like it's supposed to. Let me move the fish out the way. Let me get one of these nice dressed up fries real brief. Gordon Ramsay's tartar sauce. It looks good, so let's see what we got. It's kind of weird. You don't have no taste at all. Let me try one more. It's weird because it has no taste. It's like tasting cold ranch, but without the ranch taste. But this is tartar sauce, but it has no tartar sauce taste. So I don't get it. Let me try this smoky ranch. Damn. Clean up on aisle 3. The smoky ranch is weird too. It looks like it has so much seasoning and everything, but it don't taste like nothing. All right, Gordon, you're not looking too good so far. I don't know what's going on. All right, the fries, I don't know what's going on with those, but we're gonna try the fish next. Let's hope that the fish redeems itself. Broke straight apart. The breading looks nice. The fish looks nice on the inside. So I mean, let's give it a try. The texture's pretty good. It's very, very light breading. The fish tastes very, very fresh, but it has no taste. Weird. Nothing has a taste to it. Tried it with the smoky ranch. Yeah. It's a little bit better. It gives it a little bit of taste, but it's weird. It has no taste at all. Like no seasoning on it. I don't get it. Let's try the tartar sauce and see if chips was not good. Everything seemed like really bland. It had no type of seasoning, no type of flavor. I mean, I said the fish was fresh, the breading was very light, but it was no seasoning on it whatsoever. The fries were very mid too. Mid means like, they weren't that good, so I don't know. And even the sauce had no flavor to it either, so I don't know, guys. I think, if you ask me, this place isn't G approved. Sorry, Gordon. Guys, maybe I caught him on a bad day or something, but if you try Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips, let me know in the comments, because today it just wasn't that good.